Here are 3 cool tricks to win a girl's heart that most guys out there don't know. These tricks are so powerful that even a girl who might initially dislike or even hate you can start liking and admiring you. To use these tricks, you'll need to apply manipulation techniques, so be careful and don't misuse them, as the effects can be very strong. The girl you target might end up giving you anything you want and doing whatever you ask. Especially trick number 3, which is highly manipulative and the most powerful. So I hope you use these wisely. Let's get started. 1. Talk about positive things. Nowadays, talking behind people's backs seems to have become normal. It happens in almost every social group. It's like a group isn't fun unless you gossip or talk about others' flaws. But if you want to win a girl's heart, take a different approach. Talk about the girl you're interested in when you're with her friends, and even better, talk about her in front of her closest friends. Of course, by talking about her, I mean mentioning her positive traits. Highlight her good qualities and strengths. This trick is incredibly powerful and much more effective than directly complimenting her. When you compliment a girl to her face, she might think you have ulterior motives or that you're just trying to flatter her. But if you praise her behind her back, especially in front of her best friends, she will automatically trust you more. She will think your compliments are genuine and not part of any hidden agenda. Plus, you'll leave a good impression on her friends. You'll come across as a guy who doesn't badmouth others. And as you know, a girl will be more likely to notice and accept you as her partner if she gets a positive recommendation from her friends. 2. Use her name. There's an interesting fact related to this point. Every human being has a bit of narcissism in them. Everyone loves hearing their names spoken by others, especially girls, who tend to be even more narcissistic than guys. So, if you want to win over a girl's heart, the simplest thing you can do is to say her name repeatedly whenever you're talking to her. The more often you say it, the better, because she'll feel more noticed and important in your eyes. In return, she'll start paying more attention to you and become more caring towards you. 3. Shows weakness. This is a clever tactic known by guys who understand manipulative strategies. They're not afraid to show weakness in front of others, especially the girl they're interested in. According to psychological research, showing vulnerability actually makes others feel more comfortable around you. You'll appear more authentic, honest, and less arrogant. Share small weaknesses. For example, if you're out on a date or having a meal together, don't hesitate to admit that you don't know how to use chopsticks. If the girl also doesn't know how to use them, this will create a nice bonding moment. You can even suggest going to a restaurant that requires chopsticks, so you both can learn together. She will feel an emotional connection and get closer to you. Another example would be admitting that you don't know how to shop online. You can ask her to teach you. By giving her the chance to feel more knowledgeable and showing her that she has something to teach you, it'll become easier to win her heart. This will make her feel comfortable around you. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful.